One thing I don't promote enough is probably my YouTube channel. All right. So if you're on my YouTube channel right now, you've found it somehow, and thank you. High five. You guys are just bitching. All right. I like when you bitching people watch my videos. Okay. You want to earn money, make some money, maybe just learn about some education, some software, some tools that are out there. Okay. I'm a storyteller. If something works for me and it gets me leads, traffic, sign up, views, attention. Okay. You need all of that if you're going to do an online business. I mean, you just do, you know this. But if you're going to be in back of the camera where you might film something to where you're not really talking and doing break dance and moves like this, okay, or maybe stripper moves. I don't know what do strippers do. I don't know. But if you're not going to do crazy stuff in front of the camera and you're going to be behind the camera, that's okay. Because with technology and the way that LiveGood is structured, you don't have to be in front of the camera. Now, sure, I don't know if it would be worse if you are. Now, if you have 3 eyeballs and 4 nipples and I don't know, you're eating, I don't know, garbage out of a can, which, I mean, it might be good. Who's to criticize? Don't knock it until you try it. But most of the time, if you dare to be on video, dare to bear your soul, okay, your soul. Do you have a pair of soles or a parasol? I mean, it might be raining outside. But if you enjoy video like I do, I think it'll benefit you. If you don't mind making, creating, producing videos where you're not even talking and you're not on camera, but maybe you're filming something to get your point across. Maybe you're making like little slides or just walking around experiencing life and having little phrases saying, hey, do you enjoy freedom? Do you enjoy bubble gum? Do you enjoy, I don't know, sitting on things and going, woohoo? I mean, there's a lot of cool stuff you can try to get people's attention with. And it starts by being yourself, looking in the mirror and just saying, I'm going to square away, slice away. I'm just going to cut this much time out of my 24 hours that I have been given to try to figure this online thing out, but make it fun. Guys, don't freak out. All right. And like I said, the reason I bring up video a lot is because every time I do videos like this and I talk, I'll always at least get 1 or 2 messages for each video. And I do an insane amount. It's like, I don't know if I can talk like you do on the camera or mess off or be a smarty pants. I'm kind of shy. I'm retired. I don't know. I was born without a mouth. I don't have nipples. And I cluck like a chicken every day at 6 at night. I mean, whatever your scenario is, whatever your situation is, it's your situation, okay? And just be comfortable and be yourself, okay? But if you don't want to do video, don't. Let's get you emailing, okay? I want you to do an insane amount of email. I want you to go to orderleadstoday.com, okay? I want you to be successful and live good, and a handful of other software techniques, systems, whatever you want to call it, education as well. I do enjoy, just making as many YouTube videos as I possibly can, I guess, in between all this other things I do called life. But if you do want to go to my YouTube channel, there's a direct link right there. Just go to youtube.com, Cory J. Draper. All right. I own Cory Draper too, but it's a whole other channel. My middle name is actually the letter J. But if you just search for Cory J. Draper, you're going to see my giant balding forehead right here. I have a little logo of Live Good, and I might change that because I do other stuff. I do Live Good. My lead gen is the opportunity I'm talking about where you can email every day. All right. Get some results. Okay. So my lead gen, scroll down, you'll see Nowsite. I use Nowsite to help me write stuff and just do my social media posts. And Nowsite is just amazing. They're so huge. Eric Warray, he's a very successful guy. He now has AI technology where you can talk to Eric all day long and get good advice about marketing. Contact mapping was just bought by Nowsite. So you're going to have just some of the best advice all built into your payment if you want to go ahead and come up with like 10, 20 bucks a month, get yourself into Nowsite. But that's a whole other video, guys. But you can see my Legacy Builders program by far my number one money maker every day, every week, every month. You know, $100 a day comes in, 900. A week ago, I made $3,000 in one day. All right. I sold like a few courses. People are buying them anyway, no matter what I do. And, God, it's nice to know that if people want to go to Legacy Builders program, that they can earn some money. But you can see just my YouTube channel. I don't have the best thumbnails. I just make them real quick. But you know what? They seem to work. So anyway, I just wanted to promote my YouTube channel because I definitely don't do it enough. And everything I was just showing you and chatting with you about, this is where you need to go. Please just go to corydraper.com. Okay, I just typed in corydraper.com. I've owned this domain for a lot of years. And what I did is I went to Linktree. All right. See the very bottom, it says Linktree. If you want your own page like this, you can copy mine. It seems to work. Okay. I have a handful of businesses online. Every single one of them makes me money. Okay. And right now, LIVEGOOD. You can see how I just promote corydraper.com. Guys, if you're interested in LIVEGOOD, it's the top button. Yeah, but Cory, what's that course thing you were talking about where you can make $900 a day? What is that? Well, guys, go to Legacy Builders. All right, so they go to corydraper.com, click. Now these buttons go to little short videos that explain what the service is, what you get. Okay, what are you buying into? How many hours a day do you got to put into something? I mean, everything is explained by video. That's why don't worry about making videos like I'm doing right now. All these businesses, my funnel system, videos already made, guys. All right, my email program right here, my lead gen, please go there, guys. It's so nice to know that you have emails going out. They're just going out every single, like every 5 seconds. Let me see if I can drag in. Let's see, I'm going to do a video here. Let me see if I can just drag it. Oh, okay, is it on my screen? Okay, there it is. All right. I send out 100,000 emails every 24 hours. This one account, if you look right here, I click select all after I logged in. I'm about to mail 91,300. All right, I get 200 leads a day. And this is an email that I'm sending for real. This is an example, and I'll give you all these emails free. Here's a subject I'm going to send out this Saturday. Okay, and today's Saturday as I produce this. Something to think about this weekend. I don't say make money, do this and do that, and it sound like spammy. I just want a nice little thing that's kind of mysterious. Something to think about this weekend. If I got this email, I would open it up to see what the hell it is. Now, here's the email that I'm going to send out. Okay, right there. See how it says, how's your Friday going? Okay, guys, what I'm going to do, it's Saturday. So I'm not going to ask how their Friday's going when it's Saturday. But look at this. Okay, how's your Saturday going? Imagine waking up to a $900 deposit like I do. I do this often while sleeping. I really do, guys. And you can see you don't have to have any experience. You don't have to have an email list. You don't have to have a social media following. Okay, my courses and everything that I suggest that you buy, guys, I swear, man, if you follow through with what I recommend, you're going to be one bad mofo. You're going to be badass at this business. Because in less than a year and a half, guys, I've been told that I'm more successful than most people that have put in 10, 20, 30 years in this business. Guys, in less than a year. All right, I've had results that's mind-blowing. Not in one company. I'm kicking butt in like 5 or 6 where I'm usually number one. I win contests, big screen TVs, cash. I win all this stuff, and I just put it in one of my warehouses down the street. But it's nice to know that I'm winning some things, and I'm meeting friends, and I'm making money. But guys, I want you to email too. And I'll give you every one of my emails. See where it says 6 minutes? Okay, this started at 23 hours. So that means 22 hours and 54 minutes ago, I emailed yesterday. So this email right here, if I like it, and if I like the subject, and I hit the little button, see where it's, whoops, sorry guys, let me scroll down. See where this white area is? In 6 minutes, it's going to say send. And guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to send an email. How many? 91,300. Now I have joined this opportunity 6 different times besides this account. And what I do is I sign up underneath myself. You can use the same credit card if you have $30 a month. Okay, you just need a different email. So see where it says I get 200 leads every day? 200 times 30, that's 6,000 emails I get. 6,000. Okay? I mean, that is a lot. That's insane. Okay? And all I do is just hit a little button. I just let this business do all the work. Okay? I write a little email, put a subject in. I proofread it, make sure the links look good. Sometimes I walk away like for 5-10 minutes before I send an email because I'll have an idea, or sometimes my email might be a little chatty or not breathable. I like them to look nice and just, you can read that email from like 3 feet away from your screen. I hit send. 23 hours later, I can do it again. But I get 200 emails a day of people looking for an opportunity to make money at home or in their underwear or who knows where. Okay, but they're coming to me. And I just send them an opportunity, and I like to send them to CoryDraper.com because if they're not interested in email leads, maybe they want to join LiveGood. And if they want to buy the best education on planet Earth, they can go to my legacy program. You want to see it? The900group.com. Check it out. Check that out. That's my number one, boom, moneymaker. All right, my little jiggly. All right, it makes me jiggle. It makes my little Jason Friday the 13th mask ring around my neck just go boo-ah-yah. All right. So anyway, if you'd like to look into any of these opportunities, thank you, first of all. It's not going to take long because, like I said, you go to CoryDraper.com, and all you're going to do is just click little links and watch little videos. If you join any one of them, guys, I am here to help you. There's setup videos. There's training videos. You're not going to be left on your own going, oh, gee, thank you for the commission that I made, and now you're on your own. Okay? Because if you can't duplicate and do what I do, there's no point. I might as well just go off by myself and make money. I'm pretty good at making money just offline. Okay? But if I do online business and there's an affiliate pay or a downline or a matrix or a Cotex or whatever the hell it's called, I want you to duplicate. And then if people sign up underneath you, what do I want? I want them to duplicate right underneath you and me. Okay? Guys, you can do this. All right? CoryDraper.com. The link should be below this video or beside it or however the heck you got to this video. I'll have that link there. But please, look into these opportunities we've been chit-chatting about. Okay? They work. Right now, it's going on Christmas in a week or so. We're going to, in a couple weeks, be January of 2025. And let's just make 2025 kick massive ass. Let's go full throttle. I don't like average. I don't like typical. I hate those words. I like massive. I like big, huge, veiny, thrusting, satisfying. I like words like that, like on a Snickers candy bar. Okay? So anyway, thanks for the last 13 minutes, guys. I appreciate you watching the videos. Get a hold of me. I'm not shy. No one ever accused me of being shy. Cory@CoryDraper.com. Email me anytime. I don't care if it's 3 in the morning, 3 at night. I got time for you, okay? All right, kids. CoryDraper.com. I promoted that 700 times in 13 and a half minutes. So peace and love. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we'll talk to you later. All right. Have fun, guys. Bye.